Okay, so in this video, I will I'll share with you how to create a sign up form and collect customers' data without any hassle. So in this video, I will share with you how to create a sign up and pop up form. This is very simple things. Sometimes you need to set up because we have to collect the customers' data through this sign up and pop up form. And we can easily collect customers' data and use their email for email marketing by providing them some uh, offer. So, okay, you can click the sign up form and you can say, see, there are a lot of existing sign up form here. So you can use any one or you can change, like you can edit something like that. So I love page. So here discount before exist customer list. So we can click the newsletter and collect their information, coupon code, everything. Click. Okay, great. So here is the information you can able to collect. Like those people want to get the 5% discount, so you can change the discount here, and it's a little bit loading. So let me reload. I think now it's working. So you can change the discount like 10%. Okay. And 10% discount. And people will submit their email and they will sign up. So you can change the color, code, everything, background color, something like that. This is looks like what? No need. Okay. Just I keep it fresh. So you can change the image also. From here, you can edit the image. You can change the color code, everything from here. If you have any specific color or brand color, so you can change the color here. You can put the color code here. Okay, I leave it. Okay, then click the published. Okay. So here is left side, the behavior of the customers. There is some conditions like when people or customers comes on your landing page, especially. So it will show immediate based on rules. You can create a rules when visitor is existing page after time delay. So there are some conditions. So after a visitor close the form, so again that means 2 days later again if they comes back then the form will again show. Suppose one customer comes on your landing page but they not submit their information or not wanted to submit their information, so they if they come again back 2 days later then they will again get it. So this is a condition basically, and this is a trigger like when or which people or visitors show. So it is like something like that, so all visitors or so to any existing people, so to email subscribe only a specific profile or segment. So there are a lot of conditions. I want to show all the people. If you have any specific URL, like you wanted to take all those customer into your shop link, so you can put the here is the shop URL, something like that, or add URL. you can add it, or you can add the parameter value, then you can click the save. So publish change, done. So your pop-up will now available on your website. How it looks like your mobile, your computer, it's all version. I hope uh, you can easily create the sign up form. Thank you so much.